Imagine this. You're standing face to face with a woman who turns heads everywhere she goes. She's confident, breathtaking, and used to men falling over themselves just to get a second of her time. But this time, something's different. She looks at you, not like another guy trying to impress her, but like a puzzle she can't solve. She wants to understand you. She wants to figure you out. And that's when you realize you have the power. What if I told you that attraction isn't about looks, money, or charm? That beneath every confident woman, there are hidden psychological triggers that most men never see. And when you understand them, you'll never chase again. Because women will start chasing you. This isn't about manipulation. It's about understanding human nature. Stay until the end, because once you learn these 5 hidden triggers, your entire approach to women will change forever. Let's get started. Trigger number 1. The craving for emotional escapism. Most men assume that women are logical in love, that they choose a man based on security, looks, or status. But the truth, women don't fall for a man. They fall for the experience he gives them. This is why women binge watch romance dramas, why they fantasize about bad boys, mysterious strangers, or even dangerous love stories. It's not because they love trouble. It's because they crave a different emotional reality. And this is where most guys fail. They're too predictable. They send the same good morning texts. They never challenge her opinions. They make her feel safe, but they don't make her feel alive. How to trigger this? Be unpredictable. Change the rhythm. Keep her guessing. Challenge her. Don't always agree. Tease her. Make her think. Tell powerful stories. Draw her into a world only you can create. When a woman sees you as an experience rather than just a man, she won't just like you. She'll be hooked. Trigger number 2. The unspoken addiction to strong boundaries. Every woman will test you. Not because she's cruel, not because she wants to play games, but because she needs to know if you're strong enough to handle her. Most men fail these tests. They cancel plans the second she calls. They always say yes just to keep her happy. They put her above their own self-respect. And the moment a woman senses this, she loses interest. Women aren't attracted to men they can control. They're drawn to men who set the tone. How to trigger this? Say no when needed. She must know you have your own life. Hold your ground. If she cancels on you, don't chase. Match her energy. Be a challenge. Women value what they have to earn. Women don't respect men who give them everything. They respect men who make them earn it. Trigger number 3. The thrill of uncertainty. Think about the last TV series you couldn't stop watching. Was it the predictable parts that kept you glued? No. It was the mystery, the tension, the excitement. Women experience attraction the same way. If she always knows how you feel, if she never has to wonder, the chase is over. She moves on. But if you remain just out of reach, if she can't quite put a label on what she feels for you, that's when she starts obsessing. How to trigger this? Don't always reply instantly. Let anticipation build. Keep her guessing. Compliment her one day. Challenge her the next. Leave some mystery. Don't reveal everything too soon. Uncertainty fuels desire. The moment she's unsure about where she stands with you is the moment she starts chasing you. Trigger number 4. The magnetic pull of leadership. Women don't dream of leading men. They dream of following a man who knows exactly where he's going. Look at history. Look at movies. The most desirable men aren't the ones asking, "What do you want to do?" They're the ones who take the lead. How to trigger this? Make decisions. Instead of asking, say, "We're going here." You'll love it. Stand firm in your opinions. Don't fear disagreement. Women admire men with a mind of their own. Take the lead in conversations. Guide, don't follow. A weak man asks for permission. A strong man moves with certainty. And women can feel the difference. Trigger number 5. The deep desire for a man who doesn't need her. Here's the biggest truth of all. Women don't want to be your world. They want to be invited into a world that's already exciting. Most men get this completely wrong. They meet a woman and drop everything. Their goals, their ambitions, their self-respect. They think making a woman their priority will make her love them. But instead, she loses interest. Why do women chase men who seem unavailable? Why do they obsess over high achievers? Because those men have purpose. How to trigger this? Keep your mission first. Women respect men who are going somewhere. Never drop your goals for her. Your purpose must always come first. Stay ambitious, stay driven, stay focused. A man with a vision, a purpose, and an unshakable direction in life. That's the kind of man women chase. Final thought. The man women never want to lose. Once you understand these hidden psychological triggers, the game changes. You stop chasing. You stop over-explaining. You stop trying to impress her. Because when you become the kind of man who creates emotional excitement, commands respect through boundaries, keeps a woman intrigued with mystery, leads with confidence, has a purpose bigger than any woman, women will chase you. Subscribe to Stoic Zeus for more deep insights into psychology, attraction, and mastering the mind. Turn on notifications, because the next video, it might just change everything. See you in the next one.